The benchmark indices are gaining in trade today as of now, trying to hold on to gains. Rather, that's the perfect way to put it. You have the broader markets that are outperforming the benchmark indices once again. Let me take you through the stocks that are actually moving in trade today, and most of them are on back of earnings performance. So first up, I'll talk about JB Chemicals, the company that is actually makes a range of pharmaceutical formulations, herbal medicines, as well as API, saw an uptick of over 10% in intraday trade. It's up most in over 6 months. It's perched at record high levels, and this is on back of stellar Q1 earnings. If you see the company's Q1 performance, their profit grew by about 92%. The revenues from operations also saw an uptick of about 17% on a year-on-year basis. The margins also expanded for JB Chemicals to 29.6% versus 21.5% a year ago. JB Chemicals said that the business improved due to an uptick in revenue growth as well as a better product mix, with savings in some expenses due to COVID-19. The stock is up for a fourth straight session and has gained over 120% in the last 52 weeks. Next, I'm going to talk about Bajaj Health, which is a company that mainly manufactures bulk drugs, APIs, as well as formulation that's focusing on vitamins and amino acids. If you see, the stock has surged over 15% intraday. It is at record high levels as well, and this is on back of stellar Q1 earnings. The company reported a 5 times rise in their Q1 profits to 15.29 crore rupees. The company said the Q1 earnings was actually aided by performance of bulk drugs as well as formulation divisions. The stock is seen an largest upmove, intraday upmove, in over 15 months, and is up over 170% in the last 52 weeks. Moving on to Take Solutions, that particular counter is seeing a sharp decline in trade today, down over 10% intraday, or most since March, on back of their Q1 earnings. The company posted a loss of about 241 crore rupees compared to a profit of about 46 crore rupees that they reported last year. The revenues from operations also dipped to about 166 crore rupees compared to 582 odd crore rupees last year. The stock has declined over 60% in the last 52 weeks and is down for a third straight session. Indoco Remedies, the stock has surged to its highest level in about 7 months. They received a USFDA approval for a blood thinning drug, Apixaban. That is the tablet that they got approval for, and the stock is up for a 6th straight session. It's actually surged about 22% in the last 5 days. Apart from this, you have Trent, that's up most in about 12 weeks. You have Exaware, that's surging about 5% in trade today. Cummins India is up for most in 10 weeks. Also, you have Syngene, that is also trading higher. You have Zydus Wellness. Most of the pharma companies are actually gaining in trade. So you have Zydus Wellness, that's up almost in 6 weeks. Also, you have Vinati Organics, that's surging about 7% in trade. Dr. Reddy's is up most in 7 weeks. So these are the way. These are the stocks that are actually buzzing in trade today.